What's up, YouTube world? Once again, about to sing you another song I wrote. It's called Do Is Right. I hope you enjoy. Sitting here in my living room, yeah. My crystal light, and it's just for you, yeah. I'm sitting here on your sofa now, yeah. I'm thinking in my head, oh my God, whoa, it's time to do something freaky, yeah. Relax your mind, let me take it, yeah. And you know I wouldn't do you wrong. If you ask me to stop, I go ahead and do what you want. Baby girl, there ain't no pressure here. I just wanna relax your body and make you feel like you with me. I know everything seems to be smooth. That's why they call me Stevie J, baby. Oh, do what's right. And there's no rush to take your time. Your love is just an intimacy, and it have you saying, damn, come back to me. Oh, do what's right, and tell your friends about last night. Start bragging all about me, and tell them how I treat a lady. Yeah, yeah. Now, baby, this is something I've been waiting for all day. Yeah, pull out the champagne and turn the lights away. I'm about to make it scream for mercy, baby. You're gonna tap out by the end, I guarantee. Oh, baby, this isn't like the train songs. I'ma do my thing. I'm about to turn around and make this bed scream my name. I'm gonna make you feel like you can do it right, and you in control, baby. This is your night. Oh, do us right. There's no rush to take your time. Girl, love is just the intimacy. Have you saying, damn, come back to me. Oh, what you do was right. Tell your friends about last night. Start bragging all about